बजाय अभी सभा की कार्रवाई 7 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
The House stands adjourned till 3rd February 2021.
We are seeing that the numbers of farmers and the tractors and trolleys have increased in and around the capital, looking at which the security arrangements have been beefed up here at Ghazipur border. There is a multi-layer barricading that has been put up here.
You can see number of barricades out here. In fact, these are called jersey barriers. The cemented boulders, so to speak, are being placed on the road and nobody has been allowed to enter. This is just the first layer of barricading. If we cross this layer, you will have number of such barricades there.
I honestly want them to come onto the table, be at the table and talk it out with Narendra Singh Tomar, the minister. Farmers, at least those who are present there, at least some of whom are farmers, are probably misguided.
टिक्के साहब से बात हो गई। टिक्के साहब को जो एक संदेश देना था उद्धव जी का वो हमने दिया है। पूरी ताकत से हमारी जो संवेदना है हम उनके साथ रहेंगे।
Hello everyone, you're watching News Epicenter with me, Maria Shakil. There seems to be no solution in sight in the standoff over the farm reforms. Now the issue is playing out in the parliament. A day after the union budget, both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha saw multiple adjournments after opposition parties demanded that the House take up a discussion on farmers' protests. The protesting members stormed the well of the House, shouting slogans. As the agitation continued in full steam on the Delhi borders, Singur, Tikri and Ghazipur, the Netas too made a beeline. Shiv Sena delegation led by Sanjay Rawat made a trip to Ghazipur border, pledging party's support to the ongoing agitation, reiterating the demand for withdrawal of the 3 new farm laws. The farmers are in no mood to relent and have announced a Chakka Jam on February 6th and are all set to block national and state highways for 3 hours between 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. on Saturday. The Delhi police have enhanced barricades at the 3 protest sites where thousands of farmers are protesting. Heavy metal, concrete barriers, iron spikes, barbed wires can be seen as the police tries to prevent the security breach that happened on Republic Day. With 11 rounds of talks between the government and the farmer unions failing, the big question remains: where lies the solution? With the government giving a proposal to put the laws on hold for 18 months as the best offer to the farmers, should the government now take the chief ministers on board to look for a solution? Is there a middle path now, with the farmers having taken a maximalist position? We have an all MPs panel to take that discussion forward. Shakti Singh Goyal is a member of parliament of the Congress party. Zafar Islam is MP of the BJP. We also have Priyanka Chaturvedi, MP of the Shiv Sena. Zafar Islam, where is Deep Sidhu, who has been giving open calls for violence? He surfaces, dares your government and then goes underground. First up on the show, what's the update on the investigation in the Republic Day violence?
Well, Maria, all those people who are responsible for 26 January, I have been lookout notice have been issued for those people, and the authorities and the police are searching them. You will get to know soon once they get arrested. Secondly, when you are discussing about farm laws and along with the parliament member of parliament, I must tell you that there are many political parties, including the one who their representatives are here. They are behaving irresponsibly within and outside the parliament. Their responsibility is to discuss the issues, and we are the comfort and the confirmation has been given to them that this issue will be discussed on the floor of the parliament. But just to show to the farmers that they are together with them, they are unnecessarily creating ruckus in the parliament, which is totally unwarranted, because the parliament
Shakti
is the
Singh
place
Goyal,
where issues can be discussed, and we are more than happy to
the
discuss
finance
all the
minister
issues. And we are the party and the government
yesterday
has already indicated that if there are any observation which needs to be corrected, we are happy to.
I'm looking at some statistics here, Mr. Goyal.
Correct those issues.
Yes, the finance minister said that the amount paid to wheat farmers has gone up by more than 121%, while the amount disbursed to rice farmers has gone up by massive 170.23% during this time. There has been a significant increase in the procurement of rice and wheat, and money paid to the farmers have gone up remarkably in comparison to what it was during the UPA. My question is, what exactly is the opposition to the farm laws, and can the opposition led by your party come on board with the BJP to look for a solution here?
Maria ji, first of all, I would like to reply to the point raised by the spokesperson of BJP. Mr. Arun Jaitley was a leader in the House, as a BJP leader of the House. We were in the power, and Arun Jaitley ji has said to disturb the business of the House, to not allow House to have a function, that is a parliamentary tactic. And the opposition has that is the only weapon in the hands of the opposition, and it's the duty of the opposition to raise the voice of the people, and when government is not ready to listen, then this is the only way. That was the voice of the Mr. Arun Jaitley, and when we were in power for days together, BJP didn't allow House to function, and we listened to them, we gave the discussion. We were ready to discuss each and every point which was raised by Bharatiya Janata Party. It is the duty of the party in power to see that House functions smoothly. So it is the duty on the shoulder of the Bharatiya Janata Party today, because they are in the power.
Yes,
what
but
we
Mr.
are
Goyal,
demanding,
is the government really shying away from
saying-
discussion? They are saying that they will have a discussion.
Yes. What they are saying is discussion, but our terms and condition applies. That's, and sometimes on internet, you see there's a very good proposal available. You tempted to go and buy those things, but then there will be written T&C applies. And when you go to the terms and condition, then you will be cheated. Here the same thing government is saying. If you are fair, then give us the time.
Okay.
Let us discuss.
So what are the terms and conditions that have you said?
Terms and conditions. So that can't.
Zafar, what are the terms and conditions that you have said for there is a discussion?
Well, let him explain and let him tell you what are the terms and conditions, because the government has very clearly indicated that they are happy to discuss all the issues. In fact, repeatedly,
I'll tell you what are the terms and conditions.
Was requesting them to take their seat, don't make noise, don't do narabazi here, and we are happy to discuss tomorrow.
Okay, I'm going to
and whatever business
come back to both the panelists in just a bit, because Priyanka Chaturvedi of the Shiv Sena is also joining me.
Those issues.
One moment. All of you are MPs from the same house. You can go back and have the discussion again there. But Priyanka, we saw the Shiv Sena MPs at the protest sites extending support to the farmers. These reforms have been discussed over the last 2 decades in Parliament as well as state legislatures. If this is about providing a framework for ensuring that the farmers have greater choices, then shouldn't the opposition be with the government in the larger interest of the farmers?
Actually, Maria, you framed your question very incorrectly, because this was not under discussion over 20 years that you spoke about. What was under discussion, please let's not forget, that in a federal structure, agriculture comes under state responsibility. What has happened, in fact, effectively, and actually this entire reforms began with Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, carried forward by UPA, because that's how democracy works. When you talk about smooth transition of power, you ensure that reforms also continue and at a pace which is conducive for this nation. What has happened is an entire bulldozing of farmer reforms, so-called farmer reforms, as termed by the government of India, without enough discussion, by bringing an ordinance and passing it without a vote. What you did was a voice vote. The country was witness to that. After which you've had farmers from across various states coming forward and protesting that this is not how it should be done. And the stakeholders should have been consulted. Nothing has happened. They've been given meetings after meetings after meetings with no, I would say, assurance coming from the government of India to listen to their issues and to ensure that a solution is found. The sense of arrogance, the sense of entitlement that the government feels, that what they know is right and what others are talking about is anti-national, is sponsored by Pakistan, is full of Khalistani protesters, is full of Naxalites. These are the labels and names given. And what are they doing? They're protesting peacefully on the borders. And what do you give them? You give them tear gas shells. You give them lathi charge. You try to suppress their voice. You try to get them to move out of the protest. You try to, undermine their protest. This is what is happening. And there's a huge difference from what has been discussed as reforms, which started from Vajpayee ji's era, and it has been stalled by this government by imposing something which was not wanted by the farmers and not discussed with the state.
Zafar, respond to this point being made of your government not taking the parties on board, basically not ensuring that the stakeholders come together.
We want the stakeholders to come together. We want this discussion to happen.
No, let me respond to Priyanka ji, because if she doesn't know that this issue was discussed for last 2 decades, and there were many commissions which has been set up, including Swaminathan Commission, which has submitted their report. Their report has been accepted by the then government UPA. The Finance Commission report was also accepted in 2007 by the then UPA government. The group of chief ministers also submitted, and there are many expert committee which has examined this issue. They have submitted the report. No reports have been discarded. On the contrary, Priyanka ji, it was indicated by the then UPA government that these will be accepted, but they didn't accept it, and we felt, and we discussed with the farmers, they all wanted this to be implemented, including your own chief ministers and leaders. And what we have done, what you have been advocating, and many Congress leaders were advocating, and the then senior ministers at that in UPA government, they were advocating it. We have simply accepted their request, acceded to their request, and implemented something which was to be done in the interest of the farmers.
But Zafar, despite the best interest of the farmers, if the chief ministers of the states aren't on board, then what purpose will it serve? It is about getting the chief ministers on board, and that brings me to Shakti Singh Goyal. Shakti Singh Goyal, look at the recommendations that have come in. Montek Singh Ahluwalia-led panel recommended to Punjab government only in July to do away with free power and other unsustainable practices and move away from paddy crop in the state, because neither the local climate supports nor can Punjab afford endless extraction of groundwater. This is what the Montek Singh Ahluwalia panel had suggested. Your own MPs, sir, in January 2019, along with Akali Dal, had observed in a parliamentary standing committee on agriculture that APMCs have become hotbed of politics, corruption and monopoly of traders and middlemen, and are not working in interest of the farmers. Can we talk about the interest of the farmers now?
Yes, certainly. And what we had suggested, that APMC we were also going to for that mandi system. Now the BJP is time and again saying that this is the same thing was in our manifesto of the Congress party, but it's not true. The truth is that in our manifesto, we were also for the reforms, but what type of reforms? Where the farmers are benefited. What we have said that at district levels it's the APMC, is the block level is the IPMC. We suggested that everywhere there will be mandi, but it will be operated by farmers associations, farmer unions, and not to the private stakeholders who can fool the farmers and can loot the farmers. So the suggestions which we gave, or my MPs gave, or whatever was in our manifesto, that was totally different from these 3 laws. Because of this law, main 3-4 things are very important, Maria ji, and that is why the farmers are against this law. 2.5 months sitting in this type of adverse situation at the border, this is not a joke. Why farmers are doing this? Because they know that if these laws are implemented, that generations will have to suffer, and that is why farmers are fighting.
Zafar Islam, how do you convince the farmers?
Well, Maria, I think everyone should understand the law is a body, and you have many clauses where you may have observation. All those observations where you think that needs to be amended, you need to highlight it, and this is something which we are indicating time and again. You may have certain problem with certain clauses in the legislation, and those legislation or those observation can be amended. That indication has already come to this farmer union and the Sanyukt Kisan Union. All they have to do, and even the Honorable Prime Minister has said that within 4 hours, should they want to discuss, should they want to meet him,
Okay. Priyanka Chaturvedi,
we can get together
ma'am,
within 4
you know,
hours.
the
All we
government
want to
says
do,
that they will put
just
the
engage
laws
them,
on hold
discuss with them
for
and find
18
the middle
months.
ground with something acceptable to them.
Can there
something
be
acceptable
more
to us as well.
comprehensive discussion to do with what are the parts that should be done away with, rather than a blanket demand of the opposition parties and the farmer unions that these laws be repealed?
We totally stand for finding a solution. We stand with the farmers, and whatever interest the farmers have, and they believe that they will lose their own stake or they will lose their own means of livelihood, needs to be listened to in a true and transparent manner, and a solution needs to be found, and it has to be time bound. You cannot have them endlessly protesting and absolutely forcing them to come on the table and negotiate with them. That is a losing proposition, and that is what the farmers know, that what they are asking for and what they're getting is not correct. Let me just give you a small example. When I said Vajpayee ji's era, 2003 was the APMC Model Act. Maharashtra was amongst one of the states which adopted it, where we gave the farmers a choice, and we allowed fruits and vegetables also to go out of the APMC hold and can be sold across to anybody. What's happened? The reality today in 2019-20, we are the only state, I mean, various states are giving MSP plus 700 rupees, and farmers are choosing to sell it in APMC markets because they're getting an assured MSP price, which will not happen in when the private players come in. And can I give you one more figure? 2019-20, 479% rise where farmers chose to sell to APMC markets rather than choosing private players. So you have to do something where the stakeholders are involved, and you have to ensure that the farmers are also in control of what their future looks like. What you've done is you've gone and dumped an idea onto their head, which they believe is not in their interest, and they need to be heard. That is all I'm saying. So believing that this reform is the only reform and this is the only solution for farmer reforms is an incorrect approach to a problem, or incorrect approach to a reform itself.
Yes, I'll start wrapping the debate, and I'm going to begin with you, Zafar Islam. Go ahead.
Well, when they talk about that, the unnecessary misleading that the mandi will get closed, in fact, we are creating option for the farmers that they will have more buyers. By selling outside the mandi, they may command a better price, and should they want to sell in the mandi itself, they are allowed to do that. I mean, nobody having a restriction, nobody putting restriction on them that they should only be allowed to sell their produce in outside the mandi. They can sell in mandi, they can sell outside, and that is something which they have misled all the farmers that mandi will be closed.
Today there is no prohibition. Today I can sell my product wherever I want.
Do a back testing on MSP.
Just give me
they
2
must
minutes.
see on their. They must see that what they have done, what we have done, in terms of commitment. This government has made maximum commitment to buy at MSP, whether it's paddies, whether it's any other produce. We have bought the maximum, and we have committed the maximum amount for buying at MSP. Just compare the numbers with what we have committed, how much money we have spent, and how much comfort we have given, how much services under
Chaturvedi spoke specifically in the context of Maharashtra. Please explain that point,
come to a conclusion.
Yes, explain that point, what she said in the context of Maharashtra. Zafar Islam.
Sorry, Maria.
Priyanka had made a point regarding Maharashtra. Explain that.
No, it was just an example of how things work and how things do not end up actually helping or doubling farmer income. That is all I'm trying to say. They have gone back onto APMC markets because they get an assured MSP. Private players are not even assuring that, and this is exactly the reform that they are thrusting down people's throat or the farmers' throat.
But Priyanka, you must understand that
MSP,
how much government can procure. No, but let me ask you. Even suppose for a moment, we assume that okay, fine, we have repealed this act. Would they be able to sell entire produce in APMC? Can all the farmers sell at MSP in the mandi? Will they be able to do that? Because everyone knows that government has limitations in terms of how much they can procure.
They are unable to sell even now. Madhya Pradesh is an example of what is happening.
So that's why I'm saying we are creating market for them. We are creating a lot of options for them. If they have more options, probably they will have more buyers, they will have better price realization.
You are hitting their pockets, and what you're effectively
But
doing.
no,
And this is
if you have
something-
more
this is
buyers,
something
Mandi is
I'm
the only
sorry,
option they have at the
I'm
moment.
sorry,
But if
Syed
they go
Zafar
outside the
Islam,
Mandi, they will have
when you have
multiple
a
buyers.
pro-capitalist
If you create more
approach
buyers,
in favor of
definitely you will
Zafar
have a
is
better
not
price
true.
realization.
Look at in Bihar.
It is the truth.
Yes.
You
Shakti Singh
should
Goel,
you
Bihar.
should
the
go
point
back and
There
see
is
here
no
your own
being
APMC and how
recommendation
much
by
is
your own
also
government.
How
Shakti
much
Singh
MSP
Goel, one
have you
moment.
given in
Zafar
Zafar
Bihar?
Islam, one moment. Let Shakti
Advocating
Singh
that
Goel speak,
you must
please. Now.
create more
One moment.
options.
Shakti Singh Goel, Punjab Chief Minister should perhaps convince his own farmers, is one view of the experts who have, the farmers of Punjab have benefited the most from the current, what is being said as a lopsided system. Punjab accounts for 13% of the country's rice and wheat crop, but FCI in fact procures 26% from here. Can the state chief minister start convincing the farmers? Because the genesis of this entire protest is coming from Punjab. Mr. Goel.
Maria ji, the thing is, if something is hurting me, I know that this is hurting me, this is bad for me. Now how can you convince anyone? When the laws are so bad that no one can convince the farmers, because it is against the farmers. For generations they will have to suffer. I will give you one example in Bihar, wherein the BJP is in power with the coalition partner. There is no APMC in Bihar, and today what is happening in Bihar? If you go to the figures, last year the paddy purchased on MSP was 0 because there was no APMC. APMC is surviving on what? Because the shares is APMC is entitled to collect shares, whether it is sold in the APMC or a private player is buying. Whoever is purchasing, purchaser will have to give shares to APMC, and that is why APMC is surviving. And APMC run by farmers, and APMC is creating infrastructure. So tomorrow, if today what is the situation? Because there are APMC, there are infrastructure. If I am going to sell my product, and if I don't get today the best price, I can have a infrastructure in APMC where I can keep my goods over there, my farm products there, and next day I will go in an auction. If the new laws will be implemented, then the
Mr.
APMC
Goel,
cannot ask for the shares.
the question
whatever
that is
sold
fundamental
in market.
again
So APMC
is,
will not survive.
what are the solutions?
No
What
MSP.
is the solution that you
So
are
there
offering?
are so many clauses.
Are you saying that the repeal of the laws is the only solution?
Yes, good question. Good question. There is a simple law. There is a remedy available. During the discussion of this law, we had suggested that let us have this bill discussed with the standing committee. Let the standing committee have an opinion from the Farmers Association. Thereafter, whatever the good clause is acceptable to all, come in the house.
I'll give the
we
final
will
words
also
to
support
Priyanka
and let us
Chaturvedi,
pass
being
the
the
bill.
woman on the panel.
Government
But
is
before that,
government was so arrogant.
Zafar Islam, 30 seconds.
Was not ready to give a 1 minute even without a division of votes. The bills were passed. That's unconstitutional.
Okay,
Supreme
Zafar
Court
Islam.
has said if one member is asking for division,
Mr. Goel,
division
you were also
shall
there.
be given. Here by
You were
voice
there,
vote,
you were
because
sitting in
government
the
was not
parliament,
in
so was I,
majority.
so was
Zafar Islam,
Priyanka.
quickly, yes.
Priyanka ji.
Haan.
And we all know that it was discussed, deliberated, and it was passed on the floor of the parliament. It's very unfair to make this kind of statement that it was
We
not
asked
discussed. There are many opposition
Jafar
parties
bhai,
made
I
a
don't
statement, they
expect
represented-
this
made
type
a
of
statement.
blatant
So
lie
it is
from
very
you.
unfair to make this.
BJP
Even today,
means बहुत
you
झूठी
can go
party.
back and check
But
the
from you,
record.
I don't expect
You
this
can
type
go
of
back and
words.
check the record for 4 hours.
We
it was
on
discussed.
record it
Final
was
words
there.
to the
There
woman on
are
the panel,
videos.
Priyanka Chaturvedi,
We
go
were
ahead.
Your
demanding
senior leaders have
division.
spoken
We
about
were
it.
demanding
So how do you
division.
say that? How
And
do you make
division
the
were
statement
not
that was
given.
not discussed?
Priyanka
It was
Chaturvedi,
discussed,
please.
deliberated, and
Please
then
let
it
us
was
speak.
passed on the floor of the parliament.
Yes.
And you are
Priyanka
able to do
Chaturvedi,
that.
please. Yes.
This is not about politics. All I would
No
want to tell
questions were
Yes,
asked. We
please,
were
go
not
ahead.
allowed to
the
ask
arrogant
questions.
government at the center right now,
In a
arrogant
haste it
government
was
at the
passed
center right
without
now,
a democratic
please
process.
understand, from 2014 onwards, these farmers have chosen to look at Mr. Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister of India and probably give them a vote in the belief that they will work in their interest. What is happening right now is a betrayal of that trust, betrayal of that vote, and the total arrogance that has seeped in the belief that only the government knows best. The rest of the stakeholders are either anti-nationals, are being promoted by enemy forces, are Naxalites, are Khalistanis, and out there, to destroy the idea of India. This is absolutely an unfortunate, arrogant way of looking at a problem. These people trusted you, and you're betraying that trust. And it is up to you and up to the government that they have to live up to their promises made. And for the last point, I'd like to tell Mr. Zafar Islam. Mr. Zafar Islam, there was no true and transparent discussion that happened in the parliament. This particular bill did not even go to the standing committee for discussion. It was just brought in as an ordinance and passed through a voice vote despite opposition protests. And that is the truth.
Priyanka Chaturvedi, Shakti Singh Goyal, Zafar Islam, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for joining us. The entire debate on news18.com. That's all from me. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching.